Did you know? In schools, factories, and government sites, access risks are higher than you think. ACTi Access Control Devices combine face recognition, license plates, and video intercom, not only securing facilities, but also saving 30 to 50% in costs, far beyond access. First, video verification. Admins confirm identities with live video before granting entry. Even if someone misuses a card, the camera exposes them. In schools, staff block intruders. In factories, contractors are limited to authorized zones. In government, confidential areas stay protected. Workflow, enter, verify, release, record. More than access control, it's a true security shield. Next, attendance management. Schools record attendance automatically, factories upload clock-ins instantly, with HR generating reports, governments link attendance to HR systems, avoiding manual work. Workflow, face or card log system output. The result, faster, accurate, transparent records, boosting efficiency and reducing errors. Now, tailgating detection. The system spots multiple entries and triggers alerts immediately. In dorms, strangers are stopped. In factories, unauthorized staff are blocked from hazardous zones. In government, secure rooms stay protected. Workflow, pass detect access alert. The last defense, ensuring zero blind spots. Finally, the EMAP. In school guardrooms, factory control centers, or government offices, access points and events appear in real time. If something abnormal happens, one-click dispatches help and resolves it. Workflow, monitor, notify, locate, act. Higher efficiency, emergencies solved instantly. Why choose ACTi? Lenel is costly and charges annual maintenance. ACTi offers complete features, saves over 50% of costs, and has no extra fees. For integrators, it means winning projects with lower cost and higher quality, boosting customer satisfaction. Spend less, get more, and improve security. Traditional access control is no longer enough. ACTi devices integrate video verification, attendance, tailgating detection, and EMAP. Powerful functions with far lower costs. Act now, make ACTi your best choice to protect schools, factories, and government facilities.